My cell phone. All right, got another plug. TV is plugged in. Fridge is plugged Second in. Outlet. All right, we got a laptop here. And like I said, this is like 3,000 watts right here. So this thing would run, probably if you had refrigerators, laptops, it would probably run about maybe 15 hours. And so how you charge this thing back up, there's multiple ways you can charge this thing up, this EcoFlow. You can charge it up solar panels, which I prefer because the sun is free. You don't have to go to the gas station. You don't have to wait in a long line. And this thing takes about a total of 1,600 watts. So if you have two 400-watt solar panels, you plug it in the back. You plug it in the back of here, and you can charge your solar panels. If you had grid or your solar panels go right here, NIPSCO or whatever service you're using, you can charge it up that way in about 1,600 watts. And you can also charge this thing up if you had a small generator. You plug it in right here. And here's the cord right here. Here's the cord. You plug it in right here. And there's your cord. Okay, there's your cord plugged in. And you plug this into any outlet, as you can see. 120 outlet, so you can plug it up anywhere. Like if you say, I have a generator, and I can plug this directly into my generator. But I prefer free. No gasoline, no waiting in long lines, no trying to find gas. You get your 4 good solar panels, about 400 watts a piece, and this thing will be charged up. And actually, while you're charging this up, you can still use your power. You can still power your fridge, your TVs, your laptops. And at the same time, while it's charging everything in your house, I mean, it's providing power to everything in your house, like your fridge, your TVs, your laptops, your phones, and whatever is left is charging the batteries. So yes, you can use this at the same time you're using your house. So it's providing power to the house. It's being charged. So that's the good thing about it. So just say if you was using 500 watts, you was using 500 watts in your house, and the sun was out and you're getting full charge, 1,600 watts. So you subtract 1,600 watts from 500, and that would be the total that would be going inside here. So that's the good thing about it. You can use it at the same time you're charging it, so you don't miss a beat. Like I said, this is the best thing that I use for emergency. And I didn't have this thing for probably about 4 years. And this is like a backup because I have multiple batteries. But I use this. This is how I first started getting into off-grid. EcoFlow, this is what I use. This is where I got started at with my off-grid. So if you're interested, you can check it out. And like I said, there's other batteries out there. And there you go. Quick video. So that's what I love about this. So this is just a quick video about real world usage. And like I said, this is not a sponsored video. This is real world. I paid for this with my own money. So this is no commercial. I'm not trying to sell EcoFlow. Like I said, there's other batteries out here, but I have neighbors, right? And both of my neighbors, one across the street from me and one next door to me, they were out of power. And I let each one of my neighbors borrow one of these. Like I said, I have 2 of them. And they was able to keep their fridge on, the TVs on, charge their phone. And they really thank me for it. So that's what neighbors are supposed to be. That's what neighbors are for. And if you know anybody that can use this, don't be selfish and hold this knowledge. Let somebody know. Share this video. Don't be stingy with the information. If you can help someone, help them. All right, signing out. You can check this out. And there, like I said, this is not the only show in town, but this is where I got my start from, EcoFlow.